Chandeliers, once symbols of opulence, have evolved to become versatile elements in interior design, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. From traditional crystal designs to sleek modern styles, chandeliers are available in various forms to suit any decor. In dining rooms, chandeliers create a focal point, adding a touch of elegance and setting the mood for gatherings. In kitchens, chandeliers offer a stylish alternative to standard lighting, enhancing the space's aesthetic while providing ample illumination for cooking and dining. These elegant fixtures come in a variety of designs, from modern and minimalist to ornate and traditional, allowing homeowners to choose one that perfectly complements their kitchen decor. Not only do chandeliers serve as a focal point, drawing the eye upward and creating a sense of height and space, but they also provide functional lighting that can be adjusted to suit different tasks. Whether you're preparing a meal, enjoying a family dinner, or entertaining guests, a well-chosen chandelier can transform your kitchen into a warm and inviting space. Living rooms benefit immensely from the addition of chandeliers, as they not only provide essential lighting, but also add a unique character and warmth to the space. Rustic chandelier designs in particular are perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. These designs often feature natural materials and earthy tones that blend seamlessly with various interior styles. Whether you're looking to relax after a long day or entertain guests, a well-chosen chandelier can transform your living room into a welcoming haven. The soft, ambient light they emit creates a soothing environment, making it an ideal spot for family gatherings, reading, or simply unwinding. In essence, chandeliers are more than just light fixtures. They are statement pieces that enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. In bedrooms, chandeliers serve as a statement piece, elevating the room's luxury and creating a serene, romantic ambience. Even in bathrooms, chandeliers add a touch of glamour, transforming a simple space into a personal spa. Home offices and workspaces also benefit from the unique touch of chandeliers, blending functionality with style and inspiring creativity. Entryways and foyers with chandeliers leave a lasting first impression, warmly welcoming guests with a touch of timeless sophistication. Beyond aesthetics, chandeliers are highly practical. They distribute light evenly, enhancing visibility, ambience, and elegance in any room. From grand dining rooms to cozy corners, chandeliers illuminate spaces with elegance and charm, making them an indispensable element in interior design. These stunning light fixtures not only provide essential lighting but also serve as a focal point, drawing the eye and creating a sense of sophistication. Whether crafted from crystal, glass, or modern materials, chandeliers come in a variety of styles and sizes to suit any decor. They can transform a mundane room into a luxurious haven, adding a touch of glamour and refinement. In contemporary homes, chandeliers are often used to make a bold statement, blending traditional elegance with modern aesthetics. Their timeless appeal ensures they remain a beloved choice for designers and homeowners alike.